Welcome.
Turn into him. I'm in the bike lane. You're the one that turned into me.
Yeah, I wanna turn the right.
I know,
okay?
but you gotta watch, man.
Yeah, I watch you. You okay?
You watched me. You hit me though. Yeah, I know it's fucked.
Oh my god. Go, go.
I'm alright.
Sorry, I got his license plate. I have camera.
Oh my god.
I have camera. I'm gonna get him. Don't worry.
La placa?
I have camera. Look, I have his license plate. I'm gonna.
Yeah. Pero está bien, está bien.
I'm okay. I'm okay. Thank you.
See right there, he's revving the shit out of his car.
Yeah, I can see you looking like so there's something's going on.
And then he just crunches and just plows through my car. And he just took off.
Did he just?
Fucking prick, mate. You're on camera, son.
I've already done the hard work to make them, so you might as well use them. So that's all I have for today. Thank you. Hey, Garmin. Okay, Garmin. Things in a much bluer night. That whole moon in your memory. Let's get that on dash cam. Oh my god. Good job. Close your fucking. Holy smokes.
Really liked, and then the man was like, hey, I'm also good at something
Garmin.
else. And they're like, really?
Save video.
And sure enough, that's what they started doing, and they started.
Freaking idiot.
Term life insurance, up to $2 million in coverage with no medical exam. Some policies as low as $1 a day. Answer a few health questions and get your free quote at ethos.com.
Support this horrendous status quo that has white supremacy baked into it, that led to this terrible thing that was the polarizing.
Are you fucking serious?
Are you okay?
Yeah. Oh my god. Oh. Oh fuck.
I know, should have helped me because I didn't see it. You okay, miss?
Yeah.
Oh, God, I'm so sorry.
Oh, you're okay. I just got backed into.
Where are you?
On Zuni and West College.
And are they still there or what?
Yeah, they're here.
Okay. Is it like bad?
Yeah.
Like car's total?
Probably. Would you think car's totaled?
Do you have your ID? I just need your ID, bud. Just a quick picture of your license and then we'll go. Here, this is my license. You want to get a picture of it? Huh?
My car and more damage to yours. Notice that?
Where's your, here's my license.
You want my license? Hey, who the fuck you yelling at? Who are you yelling at? Are you high as shit right now or something? Bro, you came to a complete stop at the last minute. That's why I hit you. Yes, you did. You weren't paying attention. You weren't paying attention. You weren't paying attention.
Did you get mine? Yeah, that's my my registration. Perfect, thank you.
There you go. Get that on your camera. There you go. You're not holding my ID.
All right, that's no problem. No problem. I got it. I got it. You're a fucking punk, kid. Back the fuck up, motherfucker! Back the fuck up!